Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on this strange icon, but there should be the 3-dot icon. Now let's tap on the history. And here we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you want to remove advanced browsing history, advanced browsing data, then just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. What's more, you can change the time range. Just tap here from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you are ready, let me, for example, remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Also, just make sure that the option you want to remove is marked, just like here, and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed all browsing data. So that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.